Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm here again with another tutorial video. Today I'll be making a wall hanger for flower vase using a carton paper. So I cut out the carton paper into the desired shape I want. Using top bond glue, I cut it into smaller shapes and I stick it. I let it dry off for a while so as to bond very well, and then now I am cutting off the excess parts which are not needed. I'll cut this out and then prep for the next stage. For the next step, I'll be using tissue paper to cover up this front side of the design. I'll use tissue paper and diluted glue. I'll dilute the glue in water, and I use top bond glue, and I'm going to do this all over the front design. And you have to be careful for this part because the tissue paper can easily get soaked, and I encountered this while doing this, so I have to layer it. I layer it with another set of tissue paper. In another set of tissue paper, I had to layer that, and to the back I stick the tissue paper all over, making sure that it is well bonded. And that's it for this stage. After that, you leave it to dry. While waiting for it to dry, I went up to cut my cartons into smaller shapes, and I used my masking tape to wrap it up. And this is what will be the hold. This is what will hold the flower that will be used. So I went up to wrap it all over, and before moving to the next step, we're going to cut this into two actually. Now, using a glue gun, I'll go ahead to stick the smaller pieces onto the main board. I'll make sure I put enough glue, because since this will be holding a flower vase, you have to put enough glue to make sure it sticks very firmly. I'll also go ahead to add more glue if necessary, so this can hold very firmly, and I'll go around all through the edges, as you can see. After this, I'll go ahead to color it using poster color. I'll color it. After painting, I'll go ahead to use top gum and pour that all over the front part of this, and using a glittering shimmer design, I'll pour that on top of the gum and let it stick onto the board. I'll do this all over the front part of this